Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 23rd, and this is my PM recap video for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So this morning I was saying that this move down is very likely going to end up being a continuous move up, which is exactly what happened. Now we are approaching the 78% Fibonacci retracement of this whole move down from like the daily time frame. Normally the 78% is a big area of resistance or support, probably is going to cause a little bit of a bounce, but because the weekly and the daily and probably even the monthly is still in uptrends, I definitely will continue to look for longs unless we get a break of structure to the downside right here. So even if it does start to push down, I'll just throw my Fibonacci retracement on there again, look for another pullback, look for another Fib bounce, look for another engulfing move up, and continue to go long at least until the market tells me otherwise, which obviously it definitely hasn't done yet. So anyways, don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.